Hello everyone and welcome to argovis.com. This web application was created to be an interface for the Argo dataset. Argo is an array of floats that measure ocean temperature and salinity globally. The floats plummet as deep as 6 kilometers and take measurements as they rise to the surface. If you aren't familiar with Argo, then I recommend that you watch a few videos about it to get yourself acquainted. I'll wait. All done? Great. Let's continue. Argo is generating a large amount of data about our upper oceans. However, there are few visualization and data retrieval tools out there, until now. I wrote Argovis so that anyone can access and visualize Argo data. For the more scientifically inclined, there are a few API extensions that allow data access outside the browser, and I will dedicate a series of tutorials on these APIs later. These first videos show students, scientists, or science enthusiasts how to access Argo data quickly and painlessly. The interface is designed around a tile-based map canvas. When you visit the page, you are greeted with a web Mercator projection with a bunch of dots scattered across the map. These dots are profile measurements taken within the past 3 days. The yellow dots are standard floats. Green dots include biogeochemical signals, and blue dots are deep floats, going as deep as 6 kilometers. We can clear the map of these profiles at any time by clicking the Clear Map icon. This icon here restores the map to its original view. The drop-down menu over here allows you to select different backgrounds, such as ESRI, Google Maps, or my favorite, Ocean Base Map. If you have another base map in mind, or have a feature that you would like to see, be sure to comment on this video, or send the folks at argo@ucsd.edu an email. Now, suppose that you are a polar bear and want your map centered around the northern hemisphere. Select this view in the drop-down menu here. But what about Penguin? Doesn't she get a projection of her own? Why, yes. Render a southern stereographic projection view here. Good job. We now know the basics of Argovis. In the next video, we will visit the profile and platform data pages. Stay tuned.